Ooh, I am loving this cute little pixie makeover to start off today's video. Oh my goodness, this is absolutely breathtaking. She's got a bit of an undercut here with an asymmetrical shape. Very cute style. And then we move into a bit of a shaven mohawk look. I feel like this particular hairstyle is like a toss-up between a mohawk and a mullet. So there is the final result. You can see what I mean by the mullet and mohawk inspired look. A spider web on the side. Very cute, edgy style idea. I also like the color with the purple bangs. Such a fun look. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to be checking out some more short haircut ideas. So here we see a long to short hair transformation. The stylist confirms how short do you want to go. Looks like she's cutting off quite a bit of hair here. The stylist cuts the hair into a bob. There is the before. Oh, and there is the after. I love the low maintenance vibe of this style. It looks so bouncy and full. Very cute. Now, as always, if you guys do feel inspired by any of the hairstyle ideas featured within today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. Also, be sure to check out the description box. I do have a new TikTok. So if you guys want to follow me over there, be sure to check it out below. I believe it is at Fashion Trend Seeker, but just to double check, definitely look in the description box. So next up we see this really chic pixie style. I love the color on this beautiful rosy tone. And because of the Barbie movie, we have seen a lot of pink hair color ideas floating around. I love it in the form of a pixie. So then we move into something even bolder with this red pixie style. Now this is definitely like bold red hair coloring here. Definitely not a play it safe color for sure. And then we see a hair trim. So she's got a bob with bangs. Two very popular looks rolled in one. And this is like another little like carefree, low maintenance style idea. Ooh, and then we have this gorgeous 90s pixie look. So much body and movement within this cut. I love her hair. And she's got a lot of versatility here when it comes to the styling. And then we do have another pixie in the works. Beautiful shade work here that the stylist is doing. Oh, so gorgeous. I love her makeup with the look. Oh wow, look at the detailing in the back. That is just stunning. Very cute style. And then we leave off the video with this blue pixie. Now I really like the color on this. This is like a really pretty, I want to say violet almost pixie shade. But it's a little bit lighter than violet. It's like a nice in-between color. It's really beautiful and really unique. Alright you guys, I hope you have enjoyed checking out all of these short haircut ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give the video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.